Why do 75% of homeowners choose solar energy? Because it's efficient and reliable. Introducing Gsun's solar solutions. Our latest solar installation is designed to make your home energy efficient and eco-friendly. With a DC capacity of 7.29 kilowatts and an AC capacity of 18.00 kilowatts, you're set to power your home reliably. We use top-notch equipment like the 18 Hanwha Q.PEAK Duo BLK MLG 10+405 modules and the EG4 registered trademark 18 KPV12LV inverter. And let's not forget those batteries. 2 EG4 registered trademark wall mount units give you a whopping 28.6 kWh total capacity. Safety? We've got you covered with an emergency stop station and Tigo rapid shutdown for peace of mind. Rain or shine, Gsun's solar solutions are ready to meet your energy needs. Transform your home with the power of the sun. Choose Gsun and start saving today.